afternoon. We're the group 3 and we're about to discuss heat transfer. So we got a friend, Susie, here, and she wants to get to the other side of the water to meet Billy because they have a party to go and to hang out. Okay. She wants to go to the other side of the lake, but she doesn't like to get in the water. And she thinks about all of the things that she has, and she has a tea candle and a standard soda can. And she notified that the can, and she wants to use the can to get across the water in a very quick way. And she's gonna put the candle inside the can, and she's gonna see if she can go across the water and hang out with his friend Billy. So she's gonna light the candle, put it inside the can to release some potential chemical energy, turning into kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is coming out in the form of heat. And that heat is basically cause air around the candle to expand. See if the candle has enough power to pull her across the water. Okay, let's put Susie inside the can. Okay. What is happening is the cool air is rushing in through the mouth of the can. It's being heated by the candle, expanding, pushing on its thermal cell. The flap here is rising out of the back, causing the can to move forward, to move across the water.